3, 2, 1.
Today's a big change. It's big and bold. It's knocking down one of the Carmichael Towers that were built in the 60s to really build a new facility consistent with our education of the whole person.
This is so special because we are both celebrating memories. The towers have been a key part of so many of our students' lives over the last decades, but then we're also celebrating looking forward. What's the future going to hold? And that, I think, is a very unusual combination to be able to celebrate both of those two things together.